cacao into a tea, a hot beverage or a cold beverage. So that is when we winnow the cacao. So we roasted the beans, the nib comes out and we're left with the husk. So I'm going to show you how to do an infusion. So I'm just going to put some into the French press. That's how easy it is. And then I'm going to take some fresh mint and some kumquats straight in, very rustic, straight from the garden. You can bust them open a little bit if you want, like that. We're going to put boiling water over it. You can usually do 2 or 3 extractions out of the husk. Put water all over the table. Leave that for about 5-10 minutes and then we can extract it. And here we have our hot brewed cacao tea. So this has been infusing for about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.